Hello everybody, it is Thursday and I am at Walmart. Yeah, so yesterday I fell down the stairs. And I landed on my tailbone right at the corner of the step. And I'm borrowing my neighbor's donut thing. She gave me her boppy because I can't sit down very well. I can't catch a break. I cannot catch a break, you guys. Between me falling on my tailbone, which I've done before, and I had permanent damage, and then, you know, with my arm and my MRI, I can't catch a break. So, yeah, but I need to keep my mind occupied. So we are at Walmart. It is a new month. I have that monthly bonus where I need, I think it's 85 rebates for 25 bucks. I am not going anywhere higher than that. So I just barely made the one for April. It is almost time for the Weekend Warrior to pop up. It hasn't popped up yet, but I'm excited to share with you guys some deals. There was some deals that I was going to do last week, but the Shopium deal was not working very well. So then I'm going to use Swag Bucks for it this week. But let's go inside and have some fun shopping at Walmart while we're saving some money. Here we have the Hello 8-in-1 for $5.96. You're gonna pay $5.96, but here you can submit your receipt for 450 points plus 10 kicks, but 450 kicks for purchasing the product with Shop Kicks, which is $1.80. Then you can submit your receipt for $3 back with Ibotta, and you get 50 cents back with Swag Bucks with a limit of 1. This just comes out to be just 88 cents. Here we have the Poise pads for, you want to get the ones that are 18 plus count. So we have the 20 count pads, we have the 30 count, and then back there is a 24 count. But these are $5.97. You're going to buy 2 of them and pay $11.94. I have a Ibotta rebate for $2 back with a limit of 3, so you guys can get $4 back with Ibotta. Then you can also submit your receipt up to your discretion for Shopium, where you get $5 back off of 2, making your final price for 2 of them just $2.94 or $1.47. Now there is a deal for Shop Kicks, but I already used it and I cannot submit my receipt anymore. But if you guys have a Shop Kick deal, it's an even better deal, but still $1.47 is a pretty great deal. Here we have the 40 count regular CeX liners for $3.48. You're going to pay $3.48, but I currently have 20 kicks with Shop Kicks where I get just for scanning the product, which is 8 cents. Then I'm going to submit my receipt to the Swag Bucks app for $1 back. Now there was a deal in Shopium, but I used that deal last week, so I'm going to use the 100 points back with Swag Bucks. Then I get $1 back with Ibotta, and then also another $1 back with Ibotta. There's 2 $1 rebates with Ibotta. So this comes out to be just 40 cents. 40 cents for a box of CeX. That's a great deal. Here's a great deal that we have for the Old Spice bar soap. These are $4.97. You're going to pay $4.97 for it. But then there is a $2 Ibotta rebate that you guys can submit. It is a limit of 1. But we currently have 2 different Shop Kick deals, so it just depends on what scent you get. So this one is the Shore is Nice, where you get 505 kicks for purchasing and scanning it, which is $2.02. Or you could get the Seize the Day, so you can mix and match however you want, but it is a limit of 1 with Ibotta, making your final price for these just 95 cents for 1, which is a great deal. So here we have the Purina Benefil dog food for just $1.06. You're going to pay $1.06, but then there's that 50-cent Ibotta rebate that you can do. And then I keep getting this deal, but it looks like you can't submit your receipt. But when you go to submit your receipts, I get 100 kicks, which is 40 cents. So altogether, this will just come out to be 16 cents. I give this to my neighbor, and they truly love it. But 16 cents for dog food is an awesome deal. So this was a deal I was going to do last week, and I could not get the Shopium thing to scan. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get 2 of these Fancy Feast gems. I'm giving them to my neighbor because they're helping me out with my tailbone by giving me some of their stuff. But anyways, 2 for $8. You're going to buy 2 of them. You will end up paying just, I did not write that price down, but you will end up paying $4.96 for 2 of them, okay? But you can submit your receipt for $2.40 back off of 2 with Ibotta. Then we currently have a 10-cent any cat food rebate with Ibotta, so that's another rebate. Like I said, I was scanning and scanning and scanning. I even scanned the one on the picture. Nothing was working, but there's $1 back with Shopium. But what I'm actually going to do is submit my receipt to Swagbucks for $1 back. So you're going to do that. You will end up getting both of them for just $1.38 or 69 cents each. So that is a great deal. And there's 2 entrees, so you're going to get 4 entrees for $1.38. Great deal. Here we have another cat food deal. We have the cat food tender sauce for 68 cents. You're gonna buy 2 of them and you will pay just $1.36, but then you get 68 cents back off of 2 when you purchase it with the Ibotta app, making your final price to 68 cents. I also have a 10-cent any Ibotta rebate, so I'm gonna use it for one of the cat deals. But anyways, you can get this for just 68 cents or 34 cents each, which is a pretty great deal for cat food. So here we have the Febreze fabric sprays. A lot of them are like $5.48, $6 something, but we have this one little one that is $3.24. You're gonna pay $3.24 for it, but then there is a $2.30 Ibotta rebate, making this just 94 cents, which is a great deal, and it is a limited one. So here is an easy moneymaker for you guys. I will have a link below where you guys can join this deal. So basically we have Rockstar. These are $1.88. You're gonna buy 2 of them. You would pay $3.76. But there's currently a deal with IO that if you buy 2, you get $5 back and they send it to you through your PayPal or Venmo. So you guys will get that as a moneymaker as it is. But there's also a Fetch Rewards deal where you get 950 points, which is basically 95 cents. 2 of these end up becoming a $2.19 moneymaker. So click my link, you guys will get it sent to your, a text message sent to you. Then you purchase it and then you will submit your receipt and they will send it right to you, and you guys can make this an easy moneymaker. So here we have the Yasso Greek yogurt bars for $4.98. You're gonna buy 2 of them and pay $9.96. But we currently have a Swagbucks offer where you get $4 back when you purchase the 2. Then you can get $1 back with a limit of 5 with Ibotta, and then it says you get a $1 bonus. I'm not sure if we get a bonus if we buy 2 of the same boxes or not, but I'll let you guys know when I submit my receipt. But you'll get $1 back, so you get $2 back with Ibotta. Then there's a Chego 51 deal where we get $1.25 back off of 2, or $1.25 back each times 2, making these just $1.46 or 73 cents each. I'm gonna get the sea salt caramel and the mint chocolate chip, or the fudge brownie. I don't know what I want. So here we have the Sara Lee Artisanal Hawaiian bread for $3.46. You'll pay $3.46 for it. But with Ibotta, you got a 5-cent any Ibotta rebate. And then with Fetch Rewards, you get 2,700 points, which is $2.70. This ends up becoming just 71 cents for a loaf of bread, which is a pretty good deal, and Hawaiian bread is good. Hello everybody, it is easier for me to do the deals in my car than going downstairs and sitting in my office chair. So yeah, Walmart. I got everything on my list, everything that I shared with you guys I got. The thing that I've been really trying to find is that Breyer ice cream. 2 weeks in a row I've been trying to get it, and my store just does not have it. There's not even a spot for it, but hopefully it'll come back. I don't know. But my grand total was $54.15. For everything. With Ibotta, I received $19.11. Shopkicks, I received 1,085 points, which is $4.34. Shopium, I did receive my $5 for just the Poise, and I got the money sent to my PayPal like instantly already. Swagbucks, I got $6.50 for Swagbucks. That was for the Kotex. It was for the what was it? The Fancy Feast, and then the Yasso, and then the Hello Toothpaste. So then I got that, $2.50 for checkout, 51 for the Yasso. Fetch rewards, I got 365 points, which is $3.65. I will be receiving $5 from Rockstar. Again, I will have that link below if you guys want to do that deal, but it's a great deal. I pretty much am donating all the Rockstar that I get, because my husband doesn't really drink it, so I'm more than happy to give it to people who actually do need it. So Rockstar. I did get the weekend wear. I only needed 10 rebates for $5, so we got that. And then I did receive that 50-cent Yasso rebate. I did receive it. So my grand total from $54.15 all the way went down to $2.55. $2.55. I technically did get 13 rebates because some of them are multiple items, and so they're doing that. So I did get 13 rebates total. I ended up getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, no, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 rebates altogether for individual rebates, but I ended up getting 2 because of the Poise, and then I also got 2 because of the Yasso. But from $54.15 to $2.55, I think that's a pretty good deal. I ended up getting 16 items at just 16 cents each. I ended up saving $51.60, so I'm pretty happy with everything that I got. I went to check out my CoverGirl. My store didn't have anything really good price for clearance, which was okay. Again, I wanted that Briar. And then, yeah, that was everything that I had on my list. If you guys enjoyed this video, please let me know by subscribing to my channel. If you guys love to save money and you love to have fun shopping and you love hauls, make sure you give this video a great big thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you guys next week for another Walmart digital couponing haul. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.